Have you ever wondered how abundant and accessible solar energy truly is? Well, prepare to be amazed. Solar power is the most abundant energy source on Earth. In fact, enough sunlight hits the Earth every hour to meet global power needs for an entire year. Now, let's take a step back and see how this all evolved. Solar energy was once considered an expensive and inefficient energy option. But oh, how times have changed. Since 1977, the cost of solar panels has decreased by a whopping 99%. This significant cost reduction has made solar energy not just accessible, but also economically viable. By the turn of the century, solar energy was no longer the underdog. It had become cost competitive with fossil fuels. According to Lazard's analysis, solar energy can cost as little as 4.3 cents per kWh on an unsubsidized basis. It's now cheaper than many new fossil fuel power plants. Solar power plants are not only cost-effective, but they also enjoy a long lifespan. Typically, a solar power plant can function for 40 years or more. So, while power purchase agreements may last 20 to 25 years, the infrastructure and solar panels continue to generate energy for decades. Now, who is leading this solar revolution? China has been at the forefront, surpassing the United States by a significant margin. In 2017 alone, China's solar installations could power millions of homes. In the United States, California shines the brightest, leading the country in solar installations and deriving 14% of its electricity from solar power. Solar energy has been making waves in new electricity production too. In 2016, it accounted for 39% of all new electricity production capacity installed, marking a substantial increase from just 4% in 2010. Solar energy's versatility is another feather in its cap. It is the fastest energy source to deploy, as demonstrated in Puerto Rico after the hurricanes. Solar power plants with energy storage capabilities can be built quickly in disaster-stricken areas, providing a lifeline when it's most needed. Distributed solar is another exciting development. From rooftop installations to retail store projects, it's reshaping how we generate and consume energy. Major corporations like Target, Walmart, and Apple are actively investing in solar energy, paving the way for a brighter, greener future. And it's not just corporations. Utilities and community solar projects are providing options for individuals to embrace solar energy, even if they don't own suitable rooftops. Many utilities now offer customers the choice to source their electricity from renewable sources. So what's the takeaway? Solar energy is not just a sustainable and environmentally friendly option, it's an increasingly economical and practical choice for meeting our energy needs. With its continued growth and potential, solar energy is attracting attention and investment from various stakeholders. The future is indeed looking bright, thanks to the power of the sun.